I'm over here at Shirley McGee Hands in Ashleigh Parc subdivision to show you how to replace the window in the upper section here. I'm actually going to show it to you backwards so that you can see how part of it is I've had to go through the education process myself. And one of the things is, I guess, is to just start off, these tabs up here at the top, those things come off here first off so that we can remove the, let's push this back here. Oh, there we go. So that we can pull this blind out of here, take those tabs off there, and get this out. Obviously, I've already taken the window out. I've got the new window here. I'll show you eventually in the whole thing as far as where I got the window fixed at and everything along that line. It was over at Georgia National Glass. So right now I've just had this sealed all day long and have to unseal this to be able to get to everything. I just took a trash bag and taped it up there for the day. Okay, and one of the first things I did with everything was to take this lower window out so you got plenty of room to be able to operate with. And one of the things you'll see in these lower windows here is that they've got these tabs here, and when you want to take these out, you just pull on those tabs and that'll show you how to take those out. So anyway, I'll set this off to the side for now. Okay, now part of it is I pulled this out. Now maybe you guys can't see them down there, but here's these little foots that go down here to place the window in the proper position and all here. You need to have those in there. So I'm going to set those back in here. Those will come out. Here, I'll show you one up close so you can see it. This is just a little black shim here that was on here to get these things set in the right position here. Put that up there. Okay. Now, I was literally just going to take some silicone and silicone these things back in, but it doesn't look like you really have to. I see where they've got that sealant on there. Frankly, I've got a window that leaks in my house, so I was thinking that probably they hadn't put any sealant in, and they probably just didn't put a seal in here either. But you'll see that this just sets right in there, like that. And we'll get that in there. Okay, now then, now part of what you're going to see here is that these things have a little lip on them here that is the key to being able to take these things out and put them back in. Try and show it to you real close here. I don't know if you can see it in there. I'm going to try and put some pictures. I've got a pretty good drawing of a picture, a close-up of a picture so you can see it. But that little lip in there is the key to getting this whole thing to set right in here. And now let me see. One's probably a little longer than the other. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I left that one over there. Not smart of me. Okay. Put this one in first. Let me see. Yeah, they put the top and bottom in first. And I'm just going to slide this thing in there. That should just slide in there real easy and seal in there. There we go. There we go. And you'll see how easy that thing slid in there. That's holding that up now. And here's the one for your bottom. Get all put back together here. And it's real easy. They just slide right in there for you. That just slides right in there. Here we go. Okay, that one's in. And again, you've got to make sure that this little edge goes in there. And that's really part of the thing as far as being able to get these things out in the end also. And then this one on this side. They just pop in like that. Should have put the sides in first, not the top. There we go. That's why it didn't look quite right. Susie says I'm OCD, but that's all right. I just want it to look and be right. There we go. There we go. Get that one in. And then push that one back over it. And away we go. Look at that. So pretty. There we go. Okay. Now we got that window in, and that's just how simple that is. You know, it's really not hard. And so, I mean, some of these guys will tell you you got to replace the whole thing, and you don't. You just replace the glass on it. But that's one of the things. Now, when you're doing these windows here, these are the slides that they slide up and down in here, and these go in the side here. I just put them in like this. You probably can't see them. I put them in like this and then turn them. And then once you get them in there, oh, come on, Dale. I'm going to put them back down here lower. Put them in, turn them in. That'll just sit right in there. Come on, you guys are supposed to be on your best behavior here. You know, I'll bet that's supposed to be up in. That thing is supposed to go up in there. I'll bet. Look at that. Okay. And away we go. So anyway. Now we can put this back up in there. Okay. That's up in there. That's in there. And away she goes. Okay. Well, enough of that. I will show you outside how I cut it out. I'm just going to kind of make believe. But basically, I just ran a little knife. I got it right here, as a matter of fact. Just ran my little knife here around the outside edge to break it loose and just lightly push it in. Of course, make sure you got somebody on the inside that when you push in on it, because it's going to come out once you've taken those plastic things out, to catch it when it comes out. Otherwise, you'll have glass all over the place, and then you got to have them measure it and cut it and everything else again. So anyway, okay,